Hello everybody, I'm John Valentine Father.
Hello, I'm John Valentine Son.
Welcome to Father and Son. Hello everybody, welcome back again. How are you, son?
Not bad. How are you, Dad?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. Ah, yes, I feel great inside and out. My mind is fresh. I'm alive. I'm grateful.
So am I.
Yeah, of course. There are many problems in the world. I have lots of problems. You have lots of problems. But it's really important to try to feel good anyway.
It's very important indeed.
Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel positive. I try to feel positive most of the times.
Well, that's very important, sure, yeah. You can't let things bring you down. You can't let people depress you.
It's very important to always look on the bright side.
Oh, what did you say?
Always look on the bright side.
Oh, very good advice. Always look on the bright side. Oh, that reminds me of an old song by the Monty Python Flying Circus. Always look on the bright side of life. How would I say that in Korean?
항상 밝은 면을 봐요.
항상
밝은
면을
면을 봐요.
Wait a minute, 면. I thought 면 was noodles, like ramyun and naengmyeon.
I mean, it could be noodles, but it also means side.
Ah, so 면 could be noodles, but 면 could also be side.
Yes.
So 밝은 면.
Is bright side.
Bright side. 항상 밝은 면.
을 봐요.
봐요.
Yes.
봐요 is to see.
Yes.
Look. Ah, so always look on the bright side. 항상 밝은 면을 봐요.
That's correct.
Woo, thank you. Good expression. Yeah, I agree. Always look on the bright side. Even the moon has a bright side, and as Pink Floyd will tell you, there's also a dark side of the moon. Yeah, always look on the bright side. So what kind of things are happening in your life these days that might be a little bit difficult?